Hi, my name is Jaritt Hays. I am the production manager at this cherry facility in Zillah, Washington. So this line is a 48-lane compact sizer with a Van Doren front end. We run about 1,300 bins a day at this facility, and we will be processing at any given minute about 55,000 cherries. At this facility, we receive the fruit from the orchards. They go onto our QC. We sample about 150 to 300 cherries each load. As the samples are taken, we're looking at defects, we're looking at sizing, we're determining if the fruit can go export or not export. Once the fruit is seed, it goes through the hydro cooler. Once it's through the hydro cooler, it goes into the cold room where we house it overnight, try to drop that fruit to temperature. The next day comes around, that fruit will come into the line. It'll get dumped by truckload for traceability reasons. So basically we can get down to what row the fruit was picked at, which is pretty cool for us. The fruit comes through the line, gets cluster cut. So that's how when you're in the store, each cherry is individually separated. They go through a cluster cutter. They go into the optical sorter. This machine has InVision 2 by Tomra. InVision 2 is new lights, new cameras. Each cherry gets about 64 images taken of it. A grade is assigned, a size is assigned. That cherry goes down a drop into the coolers. It spends about 2 minutes in a mini chiller section. Goes into the drop. The operator will assign a product to each drop. After that, it goes into the box, out the door, and to the stores. So yeah, we're pretty proud of this facility. This is our second year in full production.